Hello guys, and welcome back to Stylish Naija YouTube channel. It has been a while. I just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. Okay, so I get this a lot, and this particular request. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to trim your armhole perfectly well. So you can see this is actually a princess that bustier pattern that I used. So if you want to learn how to do a princess that, you can check my YouTube channel. I have videos of it. So now what we want to do now, I want to show you guys how to trim the armhole so that it will be perfect and ready for fixing of the sleeve. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to pin the two shoulders. That's the front. That's just fold it. You can see the way I'm folding it. So you fold them together and then pin it. Make sure that it is equal. You understand? Make sure that the piece, that's the top of the blouse, everything is equal. So you're going to pin everything. So I'm just trying to get my pins to pin it to make sure everything is sitting well. Okay, so because that is where, you know, we're actually trimming the shoulder. So you need it well perfectly laid out. So the next thing I want to do now, I want to take my tape. So I'm going to start. You can see, just take a look. You can see where I'm measuring from my neckline. That's the front neckline. That is where I'm going to measure my shoulder from. So you measure your shoulder. So for this, I'm using 8 inches, which the shoulder is 16 inches. So I marked that 8 inches there. You can see the way I'm placing it. So you just make sure you mark it like that. So after marking it, the next thing you want to mark is your round sleeve measurement. So for this, my round sleeve measurement is 9. So in case you don't know how to mark your measure your round sleeve, when you are drafting, you can divide your bust circumference into 6 and then add 1.5. So after that, you are going to connect that line to the round armhole measurement. Can you see? That's the shoulder line. So you connect it. So when you connect it like this, you are going to do the one on the other side. So don't go ahead, don't cut it yet. So I'm going to take my tape again like this, and then I'm going to place it like this. So, and then making sure that I'm measuring 8 inches, which is 16 inches. That's the shoulder measurement is 16. Okay, and then I'm going to come down by 9 inches. So that's the depth of my armhole. Okay, so after that, I'm going to curve it. Consider I'm curving it, I'll connect it. So after connecting, take a very good look at what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to take, so you can see both of them, they are meeting at the same point. If you do it properly, it will meet at the same point. So I'm going to place, you can see I'm taking like a notch. That is like I'm cutting it, but I'm not cutting it so deep, I'm just cutting it small. So you can see I just cut it small. So by the way, if you find this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel. Okay, so let's continue. So please subscribe, I would appreciate that. So I'm going to come to this shoulder part also, and then I'm going to cut that part also. So there's the cut is going to be like 1 inch cut, you understand? You can see. So I've just cut it open first. So when I cut it open, the next thing I'm going to pass my scissors through it. I'm picking only the front piece. I'm not cutting the back, please note. So I'm cutting only the front piece. That was the essence of putting that notch there, so that you'll be able to pass your scissors through it. And remember, we put a notch at the down part also. That's that round armhole part also. So that's the essence. So you can see I passed that scissors through it and then came out from the other one. So you can see. So I'm just trying to cut that part off. That's I'm cutting only the front. I'm not cutting the back. Please don't cut the back armhole together with the front, or else it's going to be small. So you can see what I'm trying to do. So I'm trying to just take out that part. Okay, that's the hand. So the next thing you can see, I'm now going to trim the back armhole. So you can see, you know, our front armhole is usually the back armhole is usually bigger than the front armhole. So at this point, so that was why I said don't cut the back armhole. So now you cannot trim it, as you cannot mark it. Let the back armhole be bigger with like half of an inch. Can you see? You can see, you see how it looks. So you now trim that back armhole now. So that was why I said don't cut it together. So like I said, please like this video, subscribe, or if you have not subscribed to Stylish Naija YouTube channel, I would really appreciate that. And then give this video a thumbs up. Okay, So now we're going to repeat the whole process again. So I just want to make sure that you know it, so that is why I am going ahead and doing that again. So I'll pass my scissors through the front piece, that's like that front one, only for the front armhole. When you are doing this, please try and be careful. Make sure you are not cutting the back. You have to look at it properly. So I'll pass that and then bring it out from that. Remember that first notch that we put on that armhole when we were cutting. So you see, when you cut it out, you just cut it like that. So I'm just trying to take this out, and then now after cutting that, you are now going to trim the back one, because the back one is bigger than the front. So that is why. So you can see, you can use half of an inch, let it be half inch bigger than the front armhole. So after doing that, you are now going to trim it. Okay, so this is a method I've been using like for a very long while, and it has been perfect. I usually don't have problems with my armhole maybe being too tight or something. That's like I've passed through there. So at this point, I'm just trying to check that part, that's the chest line. Check all of the measurement, just double check them, okay, and then make sure that it corresponds with the measurements that you are using for your client. So the next thing, I'm going to take out my pins, and then I'm going to place it. So you can see my princess that, like I said, if you don't know how to do this, just check my live stream. We actually did this on a live stream, you will see it. So now the next thing I want to do, I want to trim it properly, so you can see. So I'm trimming it, so you can see I've trimmed the armhole, the front armhole. Now you know, remember I marked it earlier, so you can see. So just make sure whatever you do, you are not trimming the top part. So I'm just kind of like trimming it. So even when you are doing this, you are going to know if it is okay. You will know by yourself. So after everything, you can see how this looks like. I'm just trying to measure to make sure that everything is okay. Checking the bust, the chest, and then the waist. I'm making sure that everything is okay. So like I said, thank you so much. So the next thing, I'm just trying to put, this one is like extra bonus, how to like trim the down part. So I am taking the measurement, that's the length of my blouse, and then the same thing you did for the front, do it for the back. Don't assume. So just mark the length of your top length, that's that half cut. Mark it and then you trim it. So like I said, if you find this video helpful, please hit on the like button, drop a comment for me, please. I would appreciate that. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, and then subscribe and like the videos. I would really appreciate if you would do that. Okay, so that's just a way for you to support my channel. And then if you want to register for my classes, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. So this is it, trimming your armhole perfectly. Thank you so much.